Welcome to AI Awareness Training at LC State. In this session, we'll help staff and faculty learn how to use AI tools confidently and responsibly. We'll cover AI hallucinations, data security, and responsible use. Artificial intelligence, or AI, includes tools like Microsoft Copilot that draft, summarize, and analyze content. Think of AI as a versatile assistant that predicts responses based on patterns in data, not real understanding. It can be remarkably helpful and confidently wrong at the same time, much like a well-read assistant who has never actually done your job. AI doesn't look up facts. It generates the most statistically likely next word, step by step, until the response is complete. It sounds confident even when wrong because there is no internal fact checker. AI can't know if its output is accurate, only if it sounds plausible. This makes verifying AI responses logical, not optional. Hallucinations are a fundamental characteristic of AI, not a bug. AI can generate incorrect or fabricated information that sounds completely correct because it predicts plausible-sounding words without verifying truth. Hallucinations are most common with specific facts like names, dates, citations, policies, and statistics, and are most dangerous when the output sounds authoritative. AI can produce fake citations such as journal articles or policies that don't actually exist, incorrect summaries of FERPA or HR rules, made-up statistics that sound reasonable but lack a source, and confident errors about real names, dates, and events. Consider how a plausible but wrong answer could cause problems in your work. Always verify important information before acting on or sharing it. Do not rely on AI for compliance decisions. Check official sources. Treat AI as a drafting assistant, not a decision maker. The more specific and high-stakes the claim, the more critical verification becomes. Some AI tools send data to external servers outside LC State systems. Consumer tools like ChatGPT or Gemini are not covered by institutional agreements. Microsoft Copilot operates within our Microsoft 365 environment and is subject to our data protections. Good judgment is still required even with approved tools. LC State uses 4 data classification tiers. Public, which is freely disclosed, internal, for internal use only, confidential, requiring special handling, and restricted, which is highly sensitive and regulated. Never enter student records or FERPA-protected information, social security numbers, financial or payroll data, HR information, or anything labeled confidential or restricted into AI tools. If you wouldn't email it to a stranger, don't paste it into an AI tool. Microsoft Copilot is LC State's approved AI tool within the Microsoft 365 environment. It queries the Microsoft Search Index and respects your access permissions. Approval does not mean unrestricted use. Judgment and data classification still apply. Copilot does not learn from your inputs. Your conversations are not stored, shared, or used to train AI models. LC State data is never used to train Microsoft's AI models. Each Copilot session is isolated, and your data stays within our tenant boundary. This is different from consumer AI tools, which may use your inputs for training. Always review and edit AI outputs before sharing or publishing. Be alert for bias, tone, and content that may not reflect your intent. Your professional judgment is irreplaceable. Do not over-rely on AI. When appropriate, disclose when AI has assisted in producing work product. AI is great for drafting emails, summarizing documents, brainstorming ideas, generating first drafts, and reformatting content. Use caution for policy interpretation, technical troubleshooting, inputs containing sensitive data, final decisions without human review, and generating statistics or citations without verification. Clear, specific prompts lead to better AI outputs. Include context about who you are, what you need, and your audience. Be specific in your requests. If the first result isn't right, refine your prompt. You are in control. AI responds to your direction. AI predicts plausible responses, and users should always verify important outputs. Protect sensitive data and avoid entering confidential or restricted information. Copilot does not retain your data or use it to train AI models. Use AI as a support tool, not a decision maker. Clear prompts get better results. You guide the tool. This video and its content were generated using Claude AI and Copilot.